Welcome, this is Sheri Traxler with ViREO Life, author of Go Forward 28 Days to Eat, Move, and Enjoy Life God's Way. Today we're talking about decreasing your barriers to making your healthy habits stick. Barriers are any challenges that you face, whether it's a mental challenge or some practical challenge for you. When you have those, there are three things to do with them. One is, can you eliminate it? If you can't eliminate it, can you find a way to work around it? If you can't work around it, then how are you going to reframe it? Have a client that I worked with who's had a mental challenge, a mental barrier of, time that I'm exercising is time I'm not spending with my kids. She was able to reframe that. She couldn't find a way to eliminate it or work around it in her particular lifestyle. So she had to reframe, and it became her exercise time was her way not only to be more effective with her children now, but also she was going to be around for them as they grew up and as they were adults and as they had children, she would be able to help them. So she began to reframe it that it was actually a benefit to her children that she took the time to exercise. Also, if time to exercise or time to do something healthy is a barrier for you, how do you work around that? For time for exercise at work, one of the ways is have walking meetings. If you have a topic to discuss with someone that does not require a computer, laptop, anything like that, brainstorm, go walk and have a walking meeting. There are so many ways to overcome your barriers. Spend 5 minutes, think about what your top barriers are, and then what are some ways to eliminate them or work around them, and if you can't do that, how can you reframe them? Thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Until then, find your path and fulfill your potential.